here we have, write the contrapositive of the statement. If A is not equal to 5, right? If A is not equal to 5, then the absolute value. So by the way, do you guys know what absolute value is? No. This is the square root of A squared. It is equal to minus A if A is less than 0. It's equal to A if A is positive, if A is greater than or equal to 0. This is absolute value of A. There's a bunch of questions in your homework about that. If you don't know that that's absolute value, those questions won't make any bit of sense. All right, absolute value. So if we've got P is what? A not equal to 5, right? And Q is what? It's absolute value of A not equal to 5. That makes not P be the statement A equals to 5. And that makes not Q the statement absolute value of A equals to 5. So again, not Q implies not P is the contrapositive, which in this case is absolute value of A equals to 5 implies A equals to 5, right? Is that true? Yep. Well, is the original statement true? If A is not equal to 5, is the absolute value of A not equal to 5? How about if, yep.
What's the absolute value again? Can you explain that?
Absolute value is the magnitude of the number. Here's an example. So in this one, think about this. If A is equal to minus 5, right? If A is equal to minus 5, what do you get to say? A is equal to minus 5. That means, for instance, that means A is not equal to minus 5, not equal to 5, right? So that's true. But what's the absolute value of minus 5? The absolute value of minus 5 is the absolute value of minus 5 is not minus 5. The absolute value of minus 5 is 5. Absolute value is always positive or 0. So if the absolute value of A is 5, is absolute value of A not equal to 5 true? No, it is false. So you have true implies false. What does that say about this implication? It is false. This is a false statement. So it's not surprising to me that the contrapositive is also false. Because absolute value of A equal to 5 does not imply A equals to 5. Absolute value of A equals to 5 actually implies A is equal to either plus or minus 5. Could be either. So that's the heart of those problems. Anyway, I hope that helps you. Any other questions? Well, you guys are going to come ask me after class anyway, so let's stop here.